This is the elevator at the Williamson College of Business Administration, Youngstown State University in Youngstown, Ohio. Downtown. It's ThyssenKrupp Oildraulic. Outside channel is muted. Cooked through. Here we go. Kind of dark in here. Right on the doors. Digital indicator, but it's older and has the buzz. It's a really low pitch buzz too. There's also another over here, a hospital slash camp, so I guess that one's a service car. Even though that one's more in the front of the building, this one's more in the back. It's kind of weird. Period 3. This is the only building I'm going to be doing. YSU, by the way. Here, go back number 1. There's first floor's an exterior lantern, but it doesn't chime at all. It's an 88 It's a basic and nice stainless steel cab. It's a rough pattern there. Williamson Hall elevator 642. Number 1. I think it's from like 2010 or something like that. If I remember correctly. Temperature checks. Well, there's no one here. No like guard or anything. That's gonna be it.